Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're exploring the best wooden wall art designs to elevate your home decor. From rustic charm to modern elegance, wooden wall art adds warmth and character to any space. We'll showcase a variety of styles, tips for incorporating them into your home, and some DIY ideas to inspire your creativity. Let's get started. From rustic to modern, best wooden wall art designs for your home. Your home is a reflection of your unique style and taste, and each aspect you consider plays an important role in creating a pleasant environment. Wooden wall art designs are an excellent alternative for creatively refining your sweet abode. From rustic to modern, a vast selection of alternatives is available to fit every decor style. In this video we will look at how to choose the ideal wooden wall art designs from India that complement your interior style and create a fascinating space enhancing your home decor. Turn your home into a masterpiece of artistic expression with these stunningly sourced art designs online/offline. Classic elegance, round wooden medallion wall art. Round wooden medallion wall art is a finer alternative for people looking to integrate classic beauty into their living spaces. These pieces exude timeless beauty and sophistication with elaborate carvings on circular oak panels. The circular shape offers a new aesthetic aspect to your walls, creating a space that draws the eye upwards effortlessly. This wall art, whether covered with delicate flower patterns, elaborate geometric motifs, or exquisite filigree designs, adds a touch of grandeur and refinement to any interior style. Hang these gorgeous pieces in your house and enjoy an understated elegance. Minimalist wooden wall art for contemporary vibes. Choose sleek and modest wall art designs for a modern and minimalist home decor. These works are distinguished by clean lines, basic shapes, and an emphasis on the inherent beauty of the wood. Minimalist wooden wall art pieces frequently highlight the wood's unique grain patterns and natural differences. Culture fusion with a Japanese wall artwork. With Japanese wooden wall art, you can exercise a captivating blend of cultures. These magnificent items seamlessly integrate traditional Japanese motifs with contemporary design features, producing a harmonious aesthetic experience. Delicate cherry blossom patterns and delicate Japanese calligraphy adorn these masterpieces, filling your living space with cultural richness and creativity. Why not a dose of inspiration with wooden wall art? Transform your living area into a source of inspiration with uplifting and motivating quotes. These intriguing artworks blend the natural beauty of wood with empowering words to create a stunning visual statement that speaks to your soul. Hang them in your home office, bedroom, or any other location to seek inspiration, and allow the positive energy in motivating words to elevate your spirits. Add a personal touch with a customized wooden wall art. One of the most significant advantages of wooden wall art is the ability to customize it. Consider working with artisans or designers to create a personalized piece that completely corresponds with your vision, regardless of your interior style. Personalized pieces convey your story and complement your decor. Collaborating with expert craftsmen allows you to build a one-of-a-kind piece that is tailored to your preferences and integrates smoothly into your existing decor. Finding the perfect wooden wall art design in India sounds exciting. The large range of choices available cater to any taste, whether you choose rustic charm, classic elegance, contemporary minimalism, or a combination of styles. Accept wood's natural beauty and transform your walls into a blank canvas for artistic expression. FAQs on winter home decoration. Point 1. What are some popular color schemes for winter home decor? Popular color schemes for winter home decor often include warm and inviting hues like deep blues, rich burgundies, forest greens, and earthy tones like terracotta or mustard. Additionally, neutrals like creamy whites, soft grays, and warm browns complement these colors, creating a cozy and welcoming ambience during the winter months. 2. How can I make my living room feel cozier for the winter season? Create a cozier living room for winter by layering textures with plush throws and cushions, incorporating warm lighting for an inviting ambience, and adding rich colored accents to evoke a snug atmosphere. Integrating soft furnishings and natural elements completes the comforting winter feel. 3. How can I incorporate natural elements into my winter decor? Incorporate natural elements into your winter decor by introducing wooden furniture, adding indoor plants for a touch of greenery, using stone or wooden accents, and integrating textures like wool or jute for a cozy and earthy feel. 4. What can I do to make my bedroom feel more inviting during winter? To make your bedroom cozier during winter, consider layering soft textiles like blankets and throws, adding extra cushions, using warm lighting, incorporating rugs for added warmth, and introducing rich, comforting colors to the decor palette. 5. What are some budget-friendly winter decor ideas? Embrace a wallet-friendly winter decor by swapping out pillow covers and throws for cozy seasonal tones, indulging in simple DIY crafts, and using cost-effective items like candles or fairy lights for a snug ambience. Reimagine existing decor with seasonal touches like pine cones, evergreen branches, or affordable rugs and blankets to add warmth and texture. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the world of wooden wall art.